Hello
Hello
everyone,
everyone, we
we
are
are
the
the
Eco
Eco
Crusaders
Crusaders
from
from
DPS
DPS
Nacharam.
Nacharam.
I'm Anvi.
And I'm Jatin.
And I'm Pradhi.
Every day we see walls. Every wall shares a story of creativity and time. But have you ever noticed how, after a while, the very paint starts peeling, cracking, and the color starts to fade away? The beautiful paint that we once admired is now waste, and repainting adds pollution, not protection.
Most of the paints today are made up of synthetic chemicals, which are too toxic and they release microplastic when they are peeled off.
We saw this and thought, what if there was a smart alternative to it? What if the paint could heal itself just like our skin?
That is when the idea stuck. The biodegradable self healing paint that heals itself. It isn't only decorative, but also adds to the environment. Now, what's the problem? Every year, there are billions of liters of paints that are produced globally, and all of them have to decompose one day. And when that is done, there is a lot of plastics that are involved, polluting in the water, air, and pollution.
Repainting again and again not only increases the waste of money and paint, but also includes carbon emission.
That's when we thought it is a time to change the story of paint forever, and we came up with the Eco Armor, the paint that heals itself. Our solution is revolutionary. We've come up with a biodegradable self healing paint. We've replaced synthetic polymers with natural ones, which do not harm the environment, either they add to the protection of it.
It is biodegradable, free of VOCs, and safe for both planet and people.
These are the pictures of our paint. The color of the paint is because of the natural ingredients that we have used and because we have not added any artificial dyes to make them colorful. We can still add different dyes to make it look more colorful according to our uses.
Now, how does the paint work? Once we apply a coat of Eco Armor, that is our paint, on any of the surface, and there's a dent or a scratch that appears, we don't have to repaint it as we do with the other paints. We just have to give it some time, a day or two, and then because of the gentle heat present in the environment, it heals on itself, making our surroundings look as new as always.
Greetings, ma'am. As now you've seen our project and how it works, I would like to hear from you the take on it.
I think turning waste petals into smart paint, this is what innovation should look like. Simple, sustainable, and absolutely smart.
Thank you.
We started with a simple question. What about we create a paint that heals on itself? And that is when we combine science and sustainability together.
Our biodegradable self healing paint is not just a product, it's an idea and a promise that supports our greener and cleaner future.
It's not just a paint, it's care, protection, and innovation in every drop.
This is what we've created biodegradable self healing paint Eco Armor, the paint that heals on itself.
Color that cares and the paint that heals.
Lastly, we thank Delhi Public School Nacharam for giving us this wonderful opportunity to put our innovative ideas forward.
And the Viksit Bharat Buildathon for giving us a platform to innovate and showcase our potential.